These are the final days for the Confederate flag flying over South Carolina's State House grounds. State lawmakers voting early this morning to take it down after a marathon, emotionally charged debate. A stronger than expected show of support in the House after a week of heated debate that spilled from the Capitol building to the streets. The state Senate voting Monday to remove the flag over the objections of those who call it a tribute to Southern veterans and a symbol of heritage. But heavy on lawmakers' hearts, the murder of one of their own. State Senator Clementa Pinckney's death still shrouded in black. One of 9 people killed in a Charleston church by an alleged gunman who posed for pictures with the Confederate flag. The bill to remove the divisive symbol expected to be signed into law soon by the governor. On Facebook this morning, Governor Nikki Haley thanks the lawmakers for their service and their compassion, calling it a new day in South Carolina.